tremendously. And our current laws, I don't think, have kept up with the pace of the technology. Things are more rapid, cheaper, and easier to make. In most industries, costs would go down. But I should say that is one thing I like to have those issues.
Ha